Let's draw a happy little cactus in a cozy pot. Hi friends! Today we're sketching a smiling cactus together. Grab a pencil. We start with a big round body for our happy cactus. Next, the cozy pot, sloping sides going down. A cute little arm waving out on the left. Another arm on the other side, just the same. Tiny spines on top, sharp little points. Spines on the sides too. Careful, they're prickly. Round little blush spots on each cheek. Big round eyes peeking out. And tiny pupils for a happy sparkle. A bright shine in the eye. Same shine on the other side. Color the cheeks a soft pink. So cute. Fill the eyes with a deep, dark gray. Both arms get a fresh lime green. And the pot is a warm coral color. Last touch. Color our cactus body bright green. Look at that happy cactus. Great job drawing along with us. Lovely cactus! Tap the pencil to subscribe and keep drawing with us.